Toss ka boss sponsor, Mr. Ashok Kedwal, the owner of Chargers. Yes, Diam Jewel. आयुष हाँ इसमें है अशोक खेड़वाल एंड टॉस कौन जीता ये ना मॉडर्न रॉयल्स है ना ओपोनेंट मॉडर्न रॉयल्स The captain of Classy Riders and Nayak Warriors are requested to please come near the com box to collect the souvenirs from the organizing committee members. And now for the next match, brace yourself because it's gonna be another high voltage cricket between two top teams, Superstars taking on Modern Royals. Well, the toss went in favor of Superstars and they are batting first. अंपायर से निवेदन है जल्द से जल्द मुकाबले की शुरुआत की जाए. Vinod and Rahul Jha are the two openers, two dynamic openers out in the middle. Ayush, no, it's Kalpesh Ji to start the proceeding. Yep. Two dot balls on the trot for batter Vinod. Kalpesh, the skipper. Single. Finally, run comes from the blade of Vinod and that went into the declare zone for 1 run. 4 runs on the board. First over in progress. Kalpesh Ji, what a game he had the previous one against Nayak Warriors as a bowler. He was economical. Huh, he was exceptional. The line, the length, the turn. He troubled every batter of Nayak Warriors. And he was the main character, main lead. Played a big role behind that victory against Nayak Warriors. From Modern Royals, the captain Kalpesh. It's a no ball. Good delivery. Follows the batsman till the very end. And the result is dot. That's better. Waited for it, and placing it in into the gap on the offside to take a single. One over done, Superstars. Winning the toss, batting first, 6 on the board. Oh, to bowl the second over, I reckon it's going to be Abhishek. Yes, Abhishek Talati. Single of the first over of the second over, and finally Rahul Jha gets a strike. Rahul Jha, very experienced cricketer, has played. Oh, it's a no ball. And now the strike is with Rahul Jha, who's also the team owner of Superstars, alongside Saurabh Agrawal. Free hit delivery, it's going out of here. The catch has been dropped. It has burst through the hands of the fielder at long off return. It is a sixer. Flat, and goes the distance as well. Rahul Jha making a great use of that free hit delivery, getting a maximum of runs there. Last ball of the second over, score is 17 for none. Two overs gone, 18 for 0. The team owner for Superstars, Mr. Rahul Jha, and Saurabh Agrawal, the team owner for Modern Royals, Mr. Amit Kumar Singh. Thanks to this gentleman for playing a big role for making this mega event happen. Nilesh Mundra, the bowler. A finger spinner, Nilesh Mundra. Not known for his pace, but the length that he bowls. There it is. Yes, that shot can fetch the batsman a run, but batter Rahul Jha. That's what happens when the bowler doesn't offer and pace at all. This is better from Vinod. Full toss delivery, just clipping it on the onside into the gap, taking an easy single, giving the strike back to Rahul, who is looking in an ominous touch. 9 of just 4 deliveries. Oh, top edge, fielder there. Rahul Jha, what have you done there? There was a fielder, big position there for the shot just like that. Once again, the lack of pace there did the wonder for bowler Nilesh Mundra. An easy take for Ashish at square leg region.
A top edge, fielder there. Rahul Jha,
Oh boy, such a good bat. Getting out and getting out on very easy manner. Three overs, 16 for 1. One good batter goes, another comes in. Vikas Sharma it is, who will be at the non-strikers end. Ashish to bowl. Full toss delivery, but it was well below the waist height of the batter. What a shot that was. Oh, the brilliance of Kalpesh Ji. Goodness me. Oh, one-handed stunner. In no time, he fielded, and the throw was accurate as well. Into the safe hands of wicketkeeper, and he takes the bails off. The batsman was not even in frame. Ambrish Ji, new batter out in the middle at number 4 for Superstars. 15 for 2 is the score. Oh, wow. This is test match field placement. And new batter Ambrish just comes out to bat facing the first delivery. All credit goes to the captain for setting such field. Wow.
wow. This is test.
Nilesh Mundra almost standing at second sleep, very close to the stumps and the keeper. Classical. The brilliance of the captain and Nilesh Mundra combined a wicket there. 10 for 3, 4 overs gone. And now the team owner and also the captain, Saurabh Agrawal, has come out to bat. And straight away, he gets into the act. Shot right from the middle of the bat. Vikas Sharma, he is known for his marathon inning. Takes his own time. This was a quicker one. 14 for 3, fifth over in progress, last ball of the over. Five singles came in that over, bowled by Abhishek. He's done with his quota. 5 gone, 15 for 3. Superstars deciding to bat first after winning the toss, up against a quality team, Modern Royals. Power over has been taken by the batters. Oh, Chinmay there at silly mid-on to the right of him. Single of the first delivery of power over. Oh, that looks so good on the eye from Vikas Sharma. What wrist, what power there. 4 runs. Comeback delivery this by Kalpesh G. Dot ball to Vikas. 2 deliveries to go in the power over. Superstars, they are 23 for 3. Oh, the no ball has been given by the umpire at the non-striker's end. And Modern Royals, they will challenge the call. Okay, it's not a no ball. Valid delivery. It's a dot ball. Good use of DRS by Modern Royals. Once again, a lot of credit goes to that guy, Jayendra Gupta. An off-pace delivery. Easy picking for Vikas Sharma. He is well set to play a big inning. Blocks it, plays it defensively. Saurabh Agrawal. So the power over. And they scored 10 of it. 25 for 3 after 6. And now Chandra comes out to bowl. He's the one bowler who comes out to bowl at the very difficult times towards the end of an inning. Good use of the feet there by Saurabh Agrawal. 2 dot balls on the trot for Saurabh Ji. 26 for 3 now. Chandra. He has got everything a bowler dreams of. Variations. Oh, the length. It was a half tracker. It's a no ball as well. Very well played by Vikas Sharma. Was a loopy delivery, keeping his eye on the ball till the very end, and then getting close to the pitch of the delivery, playing it on the onside single. Oh, straight to G-Man. He has got a bucket of hands. Never misses out. Saurabh Agrawal, just when he decided to up the ante a bit, he perishes big time, big moment in the game. Thank you, DJ. Well, the catches like this to Gaurav G-Man is mere catch practice. Oh, wow. Oh, they're going for 2. Taking on the shoulder of G-Man. Running the first one hard, putting the pressure on the fielder. And that done the trick for them. 7 overs done. Superstars. 27 for 4. Vikas Sharma. He holds the key there. A lot will depend how many deliveries he gets to face in this last over of an inning. The more delivery he faces, the more the chances that Superstars can post a good total on the board. And Ashish did well. Takes a single and straight away gets Vikas Sharma back on the strike. Jayendra Gupta bowling the last over. "28 for 4 is the score. 5 legitimate deliveries to be bowled in this inning by a genius of a cricketer. Jayendra Gupta. Vikas Sharma always wanted to come back for 2, eventually gets it. 30. Hits it firmly, straight to the fielder, Kalpesh Ji there. Mr. K wearing 7 number jersey. The captain as well. 31 for 4, 3 deliveries to go. Oh, that came quickly. Came quickly to fielder Nilesh Mundra at square leg region. Oh, they want to. Was that needed? Just to get one extra run, they risked 5 runs there. Run out at the non-striker's end. Umpire had his finger up in flash. Review has been taken by the batting team. Easy decision for the third umpire to make. The batsman was well short of his crease at the non-striker's end. Now the scorecard will tip by 5, -5. Last ball of an inning. Superstars 28 for 5. Good thing for them is Vikas Sharma is at the strike and he's ready to take the strike. Very well bowled. Finishes off well. Single only of the last ball of an inning. 8 overs done. End of an inning. Superstars winning the toss, batting first, 29 on board. 30 is the target for Modern Royals to make it 2-2 for them. 30 is the target. Hello. Hello. 30 is the target. 9 is the score after 1. Hello. Hello. Vikas Sharma, the moment the batter connects it, he knew that he got a big fish. He was in a celebratory mood. Why not? Chinmay, a hard hitter, goes back to the pavilion, making way for Kalpesh Ji at number 3 for Modern Royals. Let me tell you, in case if you have joined us late in this match, 30 is the target for Modern Royals. Two was gone, Modern Royals. 9 for 1. G-Man, Gaurav Seth, and his partner Kalpesh, the skipper. In the middle, to bowl the third over, we have Ambrish, a veteran cricketer, into the attack. Left arm around the sticks to the right hander, straight away back to the ball for no run. Oh, good delivery that into the block hole, and Gaurav Seth digs it out, plays it on the offside, takes a single again. How did that miss the stump? Hands on head, the moment. That's better. Change in line and length, change in outcome as well. Single to finish off over number 3. Only 4 came off it. 13 for 1. 17 required of 30 deliveries. These batters, they know they are not chasing a big total here. This is pretty much under their control. Required rate is only 3.5. 13 for 1. Oh, that action. Gaurav said he couldn't have picked it. Very deceptive action Ajay has got. Oh, good effort that by Rahul Jha there. Standing very close, almost to right of the bowler there at catching position. Made room for himself. Gaurav said he knows what is coming. Except that first delivery, now he's picking the length and some distraction there for the batter. 2 balls remaining. Yes, it's a dead ball. At the very last moment, Kalpeshji checked his shot. How smoothly they are just milking away for singles and doubles. There's no scoreboard pressure for them, for Modern Royals. Only 13 more required of 25. That's a better length and line. More than that, it's a pace. Good pace to bowl against a good batter. Dot ball to finish off. Fulton, 17 for 1. Fourteen balls faced by Gauravji. 17 for 1 after 4. किसका? 14 balls. 14th ball faced by गौरव जी. 14 गेंदों का सामना किया है गौरव ने. 4 ओवर का खेल पूरा. 17 रन 1 विकेट के नुकसान पर. और अब ये पावर ओवर ले लिया गया है बैटिंग टीम द्वारा. मात्र 13 रन की दरकार 24 गेंद में. जो कुछ भी करना है सुपरस्टार्स को इसी ओवर में करना होगा. और इस अहम ओवर को फेंकने के लिए सौरभ अग्रवाल से अच्छा बॉलर कौन हो सकता है. क्योंकि अब दोनों ही बल्लेबाज सेट हो चुके हैं तो एक रन तो आसानी से ले पा रहे हैं वो. एक ऐसा ओवर है ये डबल ट्रबल ओवर जहां पर उलटफेर उलटफेर की संभावना बढ़ जाती है इस ओवर में। देखिए, बल्लेबाजी करना इस विकेट पे उतना आसान नहीं है जितना आसान ये दोनों ही बल्लेबाज दिखा रहे हैं। ये इनका अनुभव है और क्योंकि ये सेट हो चुके हैं इसलिए आप देख सकते हैं कि कदमों का कितना बेहतरीन इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं ये। और एक स्पिनर के विरुद्ध जब बल्लेबाजी आपको करना हो तो कदमों का इस्तेमाल एक अहम भूमिका अदा करती है। स्पिनर के खिलाफ एक महान खिलाड़ी है हमारे श्रीलंका के महिला जयवर्धने। भारत के राहुल द्रविड़, जी बिल्कुल, कैसे उनका नाम नहीं ले हम। द वॉल, चेतेश्वर पुजारा, अजिंक्य रहाणे, ये कुछ ऐसे खिलाड़ी हैं जो कि स्पिनर के खिलाफ इनका रिकॉर्ड बहुत ही बढ़िया रहा है। ये बढ़िया प्लेसमेंट है, फील्ड प्लेसमेंट बहुत ही बढ़िया है। ओ, कैच की संभावना, सैम बॉय वहां पर खड़े थे। इस प्रकार के कैचेस अगर वो चिपक जाता हाथ में सुरक्षित खतरे को टाल दिया है। जो खतरे की घंटी बजती है पावर ओवर में, डबल ट्रबल ओवर में, उसको टाला है। 5 ओवर 25 रन, 1 विकेट के नुकसान पर 5 रनों की जरूरत 18 गेंदों में। पांच ओवर हुआ, 5 हुआ, 18 गेंद में 5 रन चाहिए। गौरव जी ने फेस किए हैं 17 गेंद। 17 गेंद में बनाए हैं 16 रन, एक बाउंड्री की मदद से। ईपीएल 2025 एडिशन 6 है ये। हमारे जॉइंट टाइटल स्पॉन्सर्स का धन्यवाद करना चाहेंगे, अभिनंदन। एडमेंटाइन के ओनर मानव सिंघवी जी, डायम ज्वेल के ओनर अशोक केडवाल जो कि हमारे टॉस का बॉस स्पॉन्सर भी हैं, और जर्सी स्पॉन्सर्स हमारे जर्सी स्पॉन्सर डीजी पॉट्स, दीपेश निगम जी। इन सज्जनों का जितना धन्यवाद करें उतना कम। बहुत ही बढ़िया कॉल वहां पर गौरव जी का। 2 गेंदें अब बाकी हैं गौरव जी के लिए इस पारी में खेलने के लिए। 18 गेंदों का सामना कर चुके हैं। क्या ओवर खटा है ये सैम बॉय द्वारा, एक सेट बैटर को बांध कर रखा है। पंद्रह गेंद में चाहिए 4 रन। लगातार 2 डॉट गेंद का सामना। हाँ सर, एक मिनट एक मिनट पूछ रहे हैं, एक मिनट इधर बताओ ना भाई। सर आप बताओ इधर, रन बताओ, ओवर बताओ। 26 रन। एक डॉट गेंद हुई है। जी बिल्कुल, 2 डॉट गेंद हुए राहुल सर, 2 डॉट बॉल कल्पेश जी के हुए। यस यस यस, 2 डॉट बॉल्स ऑन द ट्रॉट फॉर कल्पेश जी। तो सेम बैटर को है ना? नहीं, ए यार आकाश, बोला तो भाई मैं क्या, तो बताओ ना यार, कुछ लोग पूछ रहे हैं यार। डॉट तो बोला, उनका था, डॉट बॉल का सवाल है उधर, डॉट बॉल पूछ रहे हैं कल्पेश जी का। लगातार कितना डॉट बॉल हुआ उनका? कल्पेश जी का तो एक ही डॉट हुआ ना। अंपायर ने गलती किया, कल्पेश जी ने डॉट किया, फिर उनको स्ट्राइक वजह सिंगल लिया, फिर गौरव सेठ के 2 बॉल खेले और चले आए। वो सब क्या खेलने नहीं, खाली एक चीज बताओ ना भाई, मेरे कल्पेश ने कितना बॉल, 2 डॉट हुआ है। 2 डॉट balls on the trot for Kalpesh ji. वो बहुत ही बढ़िया फील्डिंग वहां पर राहुल जी, लॉन्ग ऑन के क्षेत्र में यकीनन 2 बहुमूल्य रन बचाए अपनी टीम के लिए। छह ओवर की समाप्ति, 28 रन, 1 विकेट के नुकसान पर, 2 रन चाहिए 12 गेंदों में।
वो बहुत ही बढ़िया
गौरव को रिटायर्ड नॉट आउट, 2 रन चाहिए सर, 12 गेंदों में 2 रन, 30 रन, 30 इज द टारगेट। रिटायर्ड नॉट आउट गौरव को। What's turn? बॉलर कौन है? हाँ? वो एक बार फिर 2 लगातार डॉट गेंद हो चुकी हैं कल्पेश जी के लिए। धीमी गति की गेंद, और यहां पर जयंत बहुत पहले ही 1 रन पूरा करने के लिए दौड़ चुके थे स्ट्राइकर्स एंड पर। बेहतरीन रनिंग बिटवीन द विकेट, बहुत ही कॉन्फिडेंट थे वहां पर कल्पेश जी जब वो नॉन स्ट्राइकर्स एंड पर, डेंजर एंड पर रन कर रहे थे, लेकिन उन्हें पता था कि जब तक गिल्लियां बिखर जाती वो आसानी से क्रीज पे आ चुके थे। इसी के साथ स्कोर हो चुका है लेवल। तीस रन बन चुके हैं मॉडर्न रॉयल्स के, 8 गेंद बाकी। और अब सिंगल के बाद स्ट्राइक लेंगे कल्पेश जी, जिन्होंने 19 गेंदों का सामना किया है। क्योंकि ये लास्ट बॉल थी ओवर की, स्ट्राइक रखेंगे जयेंद्र जी अपने पास। रन बने हैं 32, 32 रन। बत्तीस रन बने हैं, आखिरी ओवर है और कल्पेश जी ने सामना किया है 19 गेंदों का। जयेंद्र गुप्ता जी स्ट्राइक लेंगे। कोई भी शॉट अटेम्प्ट नहीं किया, ऑफर नहीं किया, डॉट गेंद के साथ। और ये देखिए आखिरी गेंद इस पारी में कल्पेश जी के लिए। 19 गेंदों का सामना किया है कल्पेश जी ने। और देखिए कितनी आसानी से कलाइयों के सहारे मोड़ दिया ऑन साइड में। The captain leading from the front in all departments. First with the ball, now with the bat. Boy, oh boy, what a game he had. Score is 34, 34 रन। बॉल कितना है? 3 गेंदें बाकी हैं, रन बने हैं 34। सुपरस्टार्स को चाहिए विकेट। Oh, top edge! That delivery, the ball wasn't far from Samboy at Silly Bidon. Oh boy, that could have been some serious moment in the game. Top edge! Had that been taken. That delivery, was a difficult chance though. Now the score is 35, 2 deliveries to go in this match. 35. Last 2 deliveries. 35, 35 रन।